elevating manufacturing efficiency with advanced solutions. At VISION, we're dedicated to revolutionizing the production landscape by significantly reducing costs and elevating the quality of 3D printing. Introducing our latest feature, the Hollow Model technology. Gone are the days of excessive material usage. Our innovative Hollow option seamlessly integrates with your existing solid model setup, offering a smarter, more economical way to produce without compromising on quality. But that's not all. To safeguard the integrity of your Hollow models, we've pioneered the inclusion of optional reinforcement ribs. This unique feature ensures that your creations maintain their shape and strength, even under the most challenging conditions. Our real-time preview feature enables you to precisely see the impact of your choices, empowering you to make well-informed decisions for the highest quality of production. Join us in this groundbreaking journey towards smarter, more sustainable manufacturing. VISION, redefining the art of 3D printing.